What happens when the people you're trying to serve begin seeing you as the enemy? It feels like combat. People never see that side of the job. They see the council meeting, the headline, the controversy, the vote. What they do not see is the emotional weight carried by the people sitting behind the dais. The administrators trying to hold organizations together while absorbing pressure from every direction.
Young, Marine, infantry, everything I was invincible. First tour overseas, not 3 to 4 months in, roadside bomb, also known as an improvised explosive device, tears through my vehicle, kills 2 of my fellow Marines, injures the rest of us. I had nothing to go back to, right? As a homeless youth, there was no back for me. There was no family. There was no anything else. Those service members, those Marines, they were my family. They were my friends, and I was going to get back to them. Anybody that knows anybody in those environments, it's marked by uncertainty. You never know what's going to happen. It was difficult. There is an unhealthy expectation that we're just going to absorb all of these things, and it's not going to take a toll on us. Sea is not a spectator sport. Yeah, I actually think I do better under stress and crisis than I do when it's not.
Hardest part of local government nobody talks about.
Isolation.
One piece of advice for public servants under pressure.
Don't confuse noise with mission. I absolutely agree that it is a very meaningful career field.